Hey everybody, welcome to Zim's channel. I want to show you today my transmission urinal. This is what she looks like. Not quite finished yet. I just want to put a nice chrome pan on here. Possibly, I don't know. What are you guys' thoughts? I think I'm going to put a Turbo 350 oil pan on there, chrome one. I do want to get the dust cover. I'm going to notch it out and drill these holes out a little bit more so I get more of a sweep. But here it is. No close up. I found out everything. I should have done a little bit better job if I would have known it was going to turn out this good. This is just for the shop. But give it a flush here. And I will be drilling out these holes here once I get that dust cover on. Anyway, I got a cheap Chinese valve here. You just push. Bottom I chewed that all out and I put a 3-inch just got it going into there. A little trap and got her fastened down to the floor. What do you guys think? I've never seen one of these before. I've seen a sink one, but a urinal. Anyway, like it, see more, please subscribe. Probably do a little bit more tweaking with this. Thanks for watching.